At it was more of a romantic movie.
All right.
But it was a serious romance. Hindi katulad nung previous pictures ko na ginawa ko over 8 years of Sampaguita na very light ang subject.
Comedy, light, romantic, yes.
Ito nagkaroon pa ng reincarnation eh.
Okay.
Na part of it was portrayed also by Loris. And I had to portray 2 characters there. Yung nung Spanish times at saka nung present time na.
Right.
Nung nag-reincarnate na si Maruha. Kaya nung ginawa yung Gumising Ka Maruha, hindi na pwede pang mag-reincarnate si Maruha. Ang pina-reincarnate nila, yung role naman na pinortray ni Eddie Garcia na si Philip Salvador ang gumanap.
Now I understand. Okay. What did Maruha do to you as an actress?
Sa wakas.
Sa wakas, ano?
Sa wakas, magkasama tayong dalawa sa isang silid.
So?
Wala naman. Kaya lang parati na lang tayo napapaligiran ng maraming tao.
Perhaps it was the turning point from mga teeny bopper roles to a more serious
dramatic
actress.
role.
Yes.
Okay. Aside from Maruha, you did Patayin sa Sindak si Barbara. Yun nga yung Gumising, Maligno. Tita Susan, halos lahat horror, hindi ba? Nagkataon lamang po ba ito?
Angela. Angela. Oh, bakit han?
Mrs. Cortez, patay na ho si Yvonne. Mami, patay na ho ako. Mrs. Cortez, patay na ho si Yvonne. Mami, patay na ho ako.
Yun ang pagbabago nung nag-freelance ako. Ngayon, way past na rin para sa edad ko na magkaroon pa ng romantic lead dahil may asawa na rin ako noon. I was very much married. I don't think it would be interesting to draw the crowds in the theater dahil meron akong kalab team.
1978 and 1979, Tita Susan, you achieved a rare feat for any actress locally and internationally. Dahil po you won back-to-back Best Actress trophies from the FAMAS, mula po sa Maligno, which is directed by Celso Ad Castillo and Lino Brocas, Gumising Ka Maruha.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Diyosa po.
Diyosa, isa kang Diyosa.
Isang Diyosa!
And Diyosa, your question.
Saang bahagi po ng buhay nyo, nasabi nyo na po yung pong linya na it's unfair?
Pang SNN yan.
Ibabalik ko sana ang tanong. Ikaw, Diyosa, nasabi mo na ba yan? Hindi pa raw niya nasasabi.
Well, hindi na tayo magpapaka-plastic. Siyempre, sa buhay mag-asawa, may mga pangyayari na nafe-feel mo, you've given 100% in, at tapos ang mga pangyayari ay not to your favor.
Right.
So, yung mga pagkakataon na yon, I would say it's unfair.
It happens to all of us. It happens to all of us. Tita Susan, I'll mention some movies. Just give me one line about these movies. In 1968, To Susan with Love.
To Susan with Love, that is based on a radio show I did. Parang may advice portion. Parang maalaala mo kaya?
Okay.
Na meron kaming ginagawang storya na tumatakbo ng 1 linggo. So, ano yan? 4 na storya sa isang pelikula. At iba-iba ang leading man ko dyan. Isa si FPJ, isa si Joseph Estrada, Romeo Vasquez. Basta apat yung leading man ko. And I think that was the last movie I did with FPJ before we got married.
Yes. Portrait of My Love.
Portrait of My Love, that was fun. It was done in Sampaguita with Eddie Gutierrez. It was a romantic movie.
Okay. Dansorama.
Robert is my name. What's yours? Sorry.
Oh, Dansorama is a very much remembered movie. And it caters even to the present generation. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron yung pelikulang yon. Pero yung kasing programa na yon, it was based from a television show.
Right.
And which was hosted by the late Pete Roa, Baby O'Brien, and then eventually si Boots Anson. Gustong-gusto nila yung pelikula. Nakaka-relate sila siguro kahit anong henerasyon, pwede pang gawin uli
Dansorama.
ngayon.
Were you more of a dancer or a singer?
Neither. As I told you, boy, world of make-believe.
Pero Tita Susan,
Kaya make-believe.
Tita Susan, you can carry a tune kanina nga when you were singing. No, really, but was that part of your training during your time that you were taught how to dance and to sing? Kasi nakakakataho kayo eh.
We were not taught how to sing.
Oh, okay.
Nagamit na yata namin lahat ang plaka. wala pang intellectual property rights. So, kuminsan, ang boses ko Doris Day, kuminsan Joe Stafford.
Iba-iba po yung
Iba-iba.
boses.
Pero nagli-lip sync, madalas later on when we became conscious na, uy, binabayaran pala yon.
Okay.
Karina Afable would sing for me, Baby Guzman would sing for me. Sayang kasi sarado yung bibig ko. Nung nagkalat ang Panginoong Diyos ng boses.
Nasa huli ho tayo.
Kaya nga ingit na ingit ako sa kanila. Ngayon, nakakakanta ang mga artista natin.
That's true. Susanang Daldal, what do you remember about the film?
That was a challenge.
Why?
Kasi Susanang Daldal, kailangan mabilis na mabilis yung salita ko doon. At saka maraming mga linya. At saka marami kaming ginawang dance numbers doon. Split frame pa.
Oh, okay.
Yes. It was
Very challenging.
very challenging, very memorable for me dahil naiiba naman yung role.
1962, you did a big broadcast.
Siguro luka-luka ka.
Sino luka-luka? Baka ikaw ang naluloko dyan, ah! Hanga pa naman ako sa'yo.
Big broadcast was we all starred in the movie.
All-star cast.
Yes, all-star cast, the entire Sampaguita Pictures. It was the first colored movie, full-length colored movie. Because prior to that, we only dreamt in color.
Nagkakaroon lang ng kulay pag
Dream sequence.
dream sequence. Ganda nun. Ito na yung tanong niyo po.